बच्चों today's topic we are going to continue with the chapter rebels and the Raj. The chapter is really very story wise and the practical how the people of India collected against the Britishers and how the things were against the Britishers. So why this particular protest raised and what were the reason behind it? अगर हम किसी against protest करते हैं और we argue against the people, then there must be some reason. So what were the reasons? So how the Britishers came? They came to India to rob India, as we have seen earlier in the previous part. कि they came here and they make India colony to earn their own profit. और जब अपने own profit को earn करने के लिए they started to establish their industries and gradually, economically, politically, socially, they captured whole India and they made India as a colony. So how the rumors spread the time, as we have discussed a little bit earlier, that there were some rumors among the people and the people were believing in the rumors and that's why they were against the Britishers. कुछ ऐसे rumors जो थे they were spread and hence the people were against the Britishers. What were these rumors? Let's see. First, I have discussed earlier that was about the bullets. So the people mostly in India, they were of the Hindu religion. They were believing in their own religion, and that is very pure and pious. So it was spread among them that bullets, whatever the boys are using, so these are coated with the cow and pig fat. So that's why the people, those who were there, they were became agitated and they became very angry against the British rule कि why they are spoiling their religion. वो उनके religion को क्यों spoil कर रहे हैं? Then there was say that there was huge conspiracy of British government to defy the caste and religion of Muslims and Hindus. अब ये बात भी सुनने में आई कि वो ब्रिटिशर्स क्या कर रहे हैं? They are going to defile जो हिंदू एंड मुस्लिम्स की जो रिलीजन है उनको स्पॉइल करने की, उनको खराब करने की, उनको मिक्सअप करने की. They are just trying for that. So the people were believing in that because when they heard about the bullets coated with the fat of cow and pig, they realized that Britishers are here to spoil their religion. The next one, Britishers makes the bone dust of cow and pigs into the flour that was sold in the market. People neglected to touch the flour. One more rumor which spread there, क्या था कि Britishers mix the bone dust. हड्डियों का चूरा किसका? cow and pig का. They are mixed in the flour. So now the people denied to touch the flour. उन्होंने उस आटे को छूने से भी मना कर दिया because it was spread that whatever flour they are using, that is mixed with the bone powder of the pigs and the bone dust of the pigs and the cows. So it spread all among the people and the people were believing that here now it is confirmed that Britishers wanted to mislead them and they are going to spoil their religion. This was the main reason for that. Then public neglected to touch the floor because very part of the population was the Hindu and they were against they were against the things whatever the Britishers were doing. So they denied to touch the floor. उस मार्केट में उस आटे की मार्केटिंग सेल जो थी वो बंद हो गई. Now ये बात स्प्रेड हो गई क्या कि now Britishers wanted Indians to convert in Christianity. हमारे यहाँ दो रिलीजन थे. कौन कौन से दो रिलीजन? हिंदू एंड द मुस्लिम. सो नाउ आफ्टर दिस पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट what thing came into mind of the Indians that what Britishers want? Britishers wanted to convert Indians to Christianity. Britishers जो है वो Indians को Christianity में convert करना चाहते हैं. So this was in the mind of the people of India. These were the rumors. The first one, that is about the bullets. They were using the fat of cow and the pig in the bullet. Number two, they were just mixing the bone dust of the cow and the pig in the flour. So the people denied to touch the flour. Number three, what? That the Britishers wanted to convert Indians into the Christianity. कन्वर्ट करना चाहता। दीज वर द मेन particular three rumors. Now what were the reasons why the people were believing in the rumor? क्यों बिलीव कर रहे थे हम रूमर्स में? There were some reasons why believe in rumors. कुछ ऐसे कारण थे क्यों बिलीव कर रहे थे. तो see, if we are having some perception, हम कोई परसेप्शन क्रिएट करते हैं माइंड में कि दिस इज लाइक दिस ओनली, देन वी डिनाई टू डू एनी चेंज. हम उस चीज को सही मायने में एक्सेप्ट नहीं करते. सी हाउ इट हैपेंड. व्हाई पीपल बिलीव. ब्रिटिशर्स ओपन स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस, टॉट वेस्टर्न साइंस and liberal arts. So when Britishers came in India, they found that Indians are illiterate, ill-mannered. So how to make them mannered and literate? So they opened schools and colleges. But in schools and colleges, they were giving the education of English. So English is taught everywhere. So this came in the mind of Indians that they wanted to destroy their tradition. They want to destroy their religion and they wanted to impose English and a culture of their own on all. So this was the first thing. Then number 2, pass law to abolish sati and allow remarriage of Hindus. See, at that time we were having so many ill rituals in our society. Ill rituals means which are not good in the favor of human being. Females के साथ there was a sati ritual. What is that? That after the death of the husband, the lady need to burn herself with the cremation of husband's dead body. उस husband की dead body cremation के साथ में the lady need to destroy herself also. So this was totally wrong. So they just banned that. Number 2, remarriage of Hindu widows. After the death of the husband in Hindus, widows are denied to remarry. But this custom is not made for the males. Males can marry but females not. So Britishers banned these two things. So these two things were good for us. Why? Because at the time we were not socially or that mentally that much developed to think about the reforms. So when the Western people saw these rituals in our India, they banned them. They said that these are totally wrong and it is against the humanity. The next one, annexated various kingdoms over Jhansi and Satara. So when they annexated various particular kingdoms, what was the reason behind that? They wanted to capture the particular regions and they want to dominate themselves. So this was the reason why the people were believing that what they are doing, they are going to dominate them. So this was the fact how the people were against them and people cared and held respect from king but destroyed and replaced system was more general equivalent. So whenever the people were giving the taxes to the Britishers, so to the kings, it was little bit liberal, it was little bit human. But when the things came in the hands of the Britishers, it became brutal. It became very cruel. It became inhuman. So now the people were forced to believe that Britishers are here to oppress them, to exploit them. So these were the reasons why the people were believing in the rumors spread earlier about the Britishers. क्यों लोग बिलीव कर रहे थे उन रूमर्स में जो कि स्प्रेड हुई थी? तो कौन कौन सी रूमर्स थी? द बुलेट ऑफ विच इज कोटेड विद द काउ एंड द पिग्स फैट. Number 2, then there are a huge conspiracy British government to defile the caste and the religion of Hindus and Muslims. उनकी caste और religion को defile करना चाहते हैं. Then Britishers makes the bone dust and of cows and the pigs in the floor, and that's why people were not using that. They boycotted it from the market. The next thing was there that they wanted to convert themselves all in the Christianity. They wanted to spoil the religions of Hindus and Muslims. These were the two main things of the time. And the next one, and why we were believing? The one, they have opened the schools and colleges, restored the Western science and the liberal arts. They passed the law to abolish sati and allowed remarriage of Hindu widows. So Hindus thought that they are against their religion and they are going to destroy their rich traditions. So they took it otherwise, and then they annexed the kingdom. Awadh, Jhansi, Satara, they are misgoverned. They are not ruled properly. So in a hidden way, their intention was expressed in front of the people that they wanted to capture India, they wanted India to depend on others, or they have to rule over the India. So people understood the things like this. Then what they did when they were taking taxes, they were very brutal, very cruel. As the people were giving taxes earlier to the kings, they were little bit kind, and they were human, like they were behaving in that human being like. So these were the things why the people believed in the rumors, because the things were not according to them. In their thinking, the Britishers are here to spoil them totally. They don't have any humanity towards them, and whatever rich traditions they are having, they are going to interrupt in those things, and they are going to ban them one by one. It means they are here to spoil the culture of India. So this thing was set up in the mind of the people, especially the people those who are believing in orthodox, believing like Hindus and all. So few things which were good. Like if we see, they opened the schools and colleges. So when they opened, when the people went there, they came to know about the various cultures of the other countries. But we took it wrong. Like they wanted to make us Western, or they wanted to spread Christianity. Then they banned the sati and allowed the remarriage. We saw it that they are going to spoil our culture, but these two particular rituals were against the humanity. So it was good that they did so, but when they annexed the various kingdoms, which was not good, because ultimately their intention was to capture the India and the provinces of the Old India. So this was the tendency of Britishers, how they wanted to spread themselves. So this was the second part of the particular chapter, and further we will see more about how the revolt was done in the various parts and how the various people took the part in the revolt. That we will see in the next topic. Meanwhile, do read the chapter properly from NCERT, and don't forget to revise the things whatever we have discussed in the lecture, and whenever we will discuss as live, we will discuss more about the things. Thank you so much. Do revise.